folks, welcome back to Crafted Replications. I wanted to do a wee video on this here Black & Decker D-994 lathe attachment that I got. Couldn't afford a proper lathe or nothing like that there, so I got this here for next to nothing on Gumtree. So it did. With it as well, you obviously need a Black & Decker drill, which I'll show you later on. I'll have one of them for it. But let's get started taking it apart and give it a wee clean. These attachments all came with it. We're getting a bit closer so you can maybe see better what's happening. There we go, try that. Tailstock slides out, it's all held in with bolts into the T-junction. Tool head came with the spanner. So barking background candy bit. And again, just slides out the drill support. Now, I'm not going to do a great deal with it, except give it a wee clean down, quick vacuum out. Tried to find some information on it on YouTube. I found a couple of things, but nothing that really explained it the way I wanted it, like, you know, to learn a bit more about it. And they're all Black & Decker roll tools, you can get various attachments. But the only one I'll be using is the lathe, as I say. If you can't afford a full lathe, maybe this is the way to go. Certainly is for me. As you can see, the base it's an alloy base, so it is quite straightforward. Again, the headstock's the same. I think it's aluminium because it is quite light. Bit of lubrication all around. As far as I'm aware, it's been sitting for a while. The gentleman that I bought it off said he'd seen it being used, but it was many years ago. And that's about as far as I'm going to go with that for now. Notice up the end here is a nut missing, so this nut here was with it, so I'm just going to pop this back on. Just stop it shifting when it's tightened up. And the head can slide back on again. This is the first time I've used the microphone, so I hope you can all hear me alright. Maybe you wish you couldn't. Right. Now, as you know, I make miniature, so I can't see me using the full length completely all the time, but I'm just going to set it up as if I was using full length. Tighten the drill support back in again. And you want to make sure this is tight because when it's set up, as I'll show you, the any movement and your pieces you're using will not be secure in the job. Next done. Headstock. Headstock. Just have to get the nut the right way around. That's what's in. So far, so good. Support slots in. Tighten it or loosen it as you like. Now, it had to be a Black & Decker drill of the older make, because obviously this D-994 is no longer in use anymore. So off eBay, again, I think this was about £10, £15. No, it was £10. I got an old Black & Decker, so it did. It's type 8mm, so it is. D500. It's old, but it's in good working order. You notice the slot in the back here. This is for it to sit into the stock, as you'll see now, where it gets tightened. So before we do anything, we'll have to take the chuck off. Now, you probably already know how to do this here, but for those of you who don't, just get your chuck key, put it inside, have it vertical, hold the chuck on the side top, put it anti-clockwise, and just screw off. And with that, cut the head for the wood, and that just does the opposite of the chuck and just screws in. You can use the chuck if you're holding small pieces, which I'll be doing quite a bit of, but at the minute I'm just going to put it together and show you how it all works. Just make it a bit looser. Just going to pause and bring the camera around so you can see what I'm doing here. There we are, hope that's better. As you can see, the hole, that's where that comes into its own. Tighten that there up. That's just about as solid as you want it to be. Tighten your nut. Just for safety reasons more than anything. And that's the drill. Put it on. Now obviously this should be secured down, so it should. You can put it on another base of any kind at the minute, because I'm keeping it in this box, so I'll be moving it backwards and forwards. So just for demonstration purposes, you could put clamps on it, but I'm just going to pop a wee screw in there. Just stop it shifting about. that's it. Now, let's see, piece of wood. And a wee piece of birch, we'll try that there. It's obviously a bit long, so we'll take a piece off it. My mad rush to get this done in one take. I'm knocking everything everywhere. There we are. Well, it should suffice. Now we've got to center it. I don't know if you really can center an upward one, I guess, but we'll try. There we are. Now, maybe the wrong way to go about this here, but I'm going to hit this wee tap with the hammer. Get it in. Stack up. Try and find the solder center. I'm going to hit that tap. Tighten it up. And this thing's in place as such. Now when I got the drill, the wiring had an extension on it, but the person who sold it to me kindly reminded me that it might be better off with my own, checking my own. But I'll just see how it goes with this here. It's safe electrical wise, but whether it's safe me using it or not is another thing. This here is not getting in tight enough, the chuck head, so again it came with a little piece of metal, so we use that there just to screw in tighter. So it's got everything you need for a lathe. It's just a lot of it's a wee bit more manual, and where you normally have, well, you'd have different levers and so on and wheels to do things, where this here you don't. Now make sure your lead's well out of the way. It's not going to move anywhere there. Various tilted to begin with. This is a hardwood, so we'll just try it and see how it goes. Plug ourselves in. This drill's only got one speed, so we'll see how it goes. You'll not hear me talking, thankfully, for a minute or so. But we'll try and bring you a bit closer to the work. There it goes from there. Excuse me. Now, as you can see, it's loosening up there again as I got moving, so just going to give it an retighten. And this time, so we don't get any movement, we'll use the arm wrench to secure the back nut. Obviously the vibration when it's moving can rattle the things loose, so it's not this, it's probably me the way it there we are. Give it a wee sand. Not just going to need it because this is going to be changed, taken right down, and it'll be I need some handles from the files, so that's what that'll be used for. But for the demonstration, as you can see, I'm quite pleased enough with that there, from what it was to what it is now. Be helpful for making the chair legs for the miniatures and table legs and bed stays and anything that needs turning. I have got the mini lathe still, which I still will use for the finer things, but this would be handy for bringing things down. Well, that's it for now, folks. Hope you enjoyed it, and see you again soon. Thanks.